Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you tenses. Tenses is not a part of speech, but its role is very important during formation of a sentence. Then you ask me how? The answer is the verb, which is an important part of speech that changes according to the tenses in a sentence. So, in another word, tenses shows when the action takes place. Here in this picture, you see in between past and future is present tense, means the time in which we are doing an action or performing an action. The left side, the past tense, the time already and past. It means the action done in our past. In the right side, future tense, the work or action which we do in future time is called future tense. Future tense is also called as future time reference. Each type of tense is divided into four categories, that is simple, continuous or progressive, perfect and perfect continuous. So before starting the tenses, we read first the forms of verb which I have already discussed in previous videos. Base form B1, that is play, B2 or past, that is played, B3, that is past participle or played. Then fourth category SES, plays. Then ing forms, that becomes playing. So out of 12 type of tenses, the first one type of tense, that is simple present tense. The structure of the sentences of positive, negative and interrogative are as follows. In positive sentence, subjects plus verb s or es plus object. In negative sentence, subjects plus don't or doesn't plus verb plus object. And in your interrogative sentence, do and does plus subject plus verb, base form of the verb plus object. In this table, you can see subjects wherever it is in singular form, that is he, she, it, and with the subject like I, you, we, they, the main verb used without adding s or es. See the next type of example, same I, you, we, they, the auxiliary verb do is used, do not, like coffee. He, she, it are subjects which are singular, and does auxiliary verb is used, does not, and the main verb in its base form. In interrogative sentence, do is used with I, you, we, they, and then main verb without use of s and es, and wherever with does, he, she, it, and the root verb is used. Second type of tense, that is past simple tense. The structure of positive sentence is subject plus second form of verb. For example, she worked yesterday. Negative sentence, subject plus did not plus base form of verb. For example, she did not work yesterday. Then interrogative sentence, did plus subject plus base form of the verb. For example, did she work yesterday? So see few examples given in the table, that is without using the main verb, only be form of verb if you are going to use. For example, I, he, she, it. With this you can use watch, and no main verb is there. Here the act of main verb is done by a auxiliary verb, that is watch or wear. So see this structure and example. Now third type of tense, that is simple future tense. Positive sentence, the structure is subject plus will or shall plus v1. Negative sentence, subject plus will not or shall not plus v1. Interrogative or question, will, shall plus subject plus v1 and question mark. In this table, you can see the examples. I will open the door. You will finish before me. Here you can also use shall. I shall and you shall. Next, third type. She will not be at school. This is a negative sentence. We will not leave yesterday. You can also use shall with we. Third type of sentence. Will you arrive on time? This is interrogative sentence. Will they want dinner? Shall they want dinner? So shall and will you can use there. So children, these are all about 3 types of tenses, and all the 3 types of tenses are comes under simple tense. Thank you.